Hi little ones! Today we are on the 43rd book from the Peppa Pig Incredible Book Collection. Today's story is called Peppa and George's Garden. Daddy Pig is sitting in his favourite sunny spot, reading a newspaper.
"What a perfect day for doing nothing,"
says Daddy Pig.
"The only thing that could make it better would be a cup of tea."
He goes inside the house to make one. Grandpa Pig has come to see Peppa and George.
"You're going to have your very own flower garden," he tells them.
Peppa and George are very excited.
"We need a nice sunny spot to plant your seeds,"
says Grandpa Pig. Grandpa Pig finds the perfect sunny spot and starts to dig Peppa and George's garden. When the garden is ready, Peppa and George will plant their seeds.
"Oh!"
gasps Daddy Pig.
"What's going on?"
"We're making a flower garden," says Peppa.
"But that's where I sit in my chair and read my newspaper,"
cries Daddy Pig. "Flowers are more important than chairs and newspapers," says Peppa. It's time to plant the seeds. "Look, Daddy," cries Peppa. Peppa has lots of flower seeds. George has only one flower seed, but it is a big one. Some birds have come to see what Peppa and George are doing. They start to eat the seeds. "Shoo, shoo," calls Peppa. "Leave our flower garden alone." Daddy Pig gets some water to help the seeds to grow. As soon as they see Daddy Pig, the birds fly away. "Tweet, tweet." "Daddy scared the birds," cheers Peppa. Grandpa Pig laughs.
"Daddy Pig looks like a scarecrow."
"Peppa, George, bath time," calls Mummy Pig. "But what if the birds come back?" asks Peppa.
"Don't worry, Peppa. I'll make sure the birds don't eat the seeds,"
says Daddy Pig. The birds come back again. Luckily, Daddy Pig is there to scare them away.
"Shoo, shoo, naughty birds,"
cries Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig guards the seeds until the birds have gone to bed. Tweet, tweet. He is a very good scarecrow. It is 1 week later.
"Peppa, George, come and look,"
calls Daddy Pig. "The seeds have grown," says Peppa. "My flowers are so pretty."
"And George's plant is very tall,"
says Daddy Pig. "It's a beanstalk," cries Peppa. "It goes all the way up to a giant's castle."
"Ho, ho, no, Peppa,"
says Daddy Pig.
"It's a flower, but it does go quite high."
"George's flower is taller than our house," says Peppa.
"George has grown a sunflower,"
explains Grandpa Pig.
"Sunflowers are very tall plants." "Well done, George,"
says Grandpa Pig. "And well done, Daddy," says Peppa. "You were a great scarecrow." Ah, so nice and so pretty are the flowers. I really enjoyed reading that book, and I can't wait to see you again in my next video. Bye.